Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can name your highlights on Instagram. So let's get started. Firstly, open Instagram app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon. Next, you can see the highlights option. Tap on it. After that, tap on three dots icon or more icon. Next, tap on edit highlight. Then you can see the option of title, tap on it. Then name your highlight according to your choice. After that, tap on done icon which is located at top right corner of your screen. Then refresh it once. So this is how you can name a highlight on Instagram Lite. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.